transformation job. As you can see, these kind of wall arches, I don't know what to call them, but they are probably some of the worst I've seen in terms of a mold. So we'll be washing this one down. This is probably the worst, and we've got more of them all around the property. So we'll start with this one, and we'll be using our usual mold and mildew treatment, otherwise known as soft washing treatment, to wash this. We're going to have to be quite careful because it's a rendered application on top of brick, I've been told. So there are definitely, especially over there, cracks that we're going to have to be careful of, and especially where it gets super heavy, like right there, you know. It's going to be interesting to see. As you can see, there's cracks in the wall, and so we're going to do the best we can, and we'll go from there. We'll show you the process as we go. Okay everyone, so this is the results as we're working. As you can see, tremendous results. Let's have a look at this section here. It's like, if you have a surface like this, give it a try to clean it before you decide to repaint it. You'll have to clean it before you repaint it anyway. See what the results are like. As you can see here, amazing. It's almost coming back like a new wall. Alright, so I hope that's helpful, and we'll show you the finished results at the end. This is the finished results. Absolutely amazing. I would put this in the amazing category because it's just such a massive transformation that we've produced, and obviously, as you can see, the house is got that weathered look to it. So when I pointed out that these residual marks that they have, they are going, you know, as part of it's just eaten into the render, the paint, the actual paint work. They were like, that's absolutely fine. You know, we're not expecting it to look pristine, because it would look out of place for the rest of the place anyway. So they were absolutely wrapped, and they said they weren't even expecting anywhere close to this level of result. So, and we're absolutely wrapped to be able to have achieved this. So there you go, folks. If you have anything in the way of exterior cleaning, do get in touch with us. We will do our very best to deliver results for you, and certainly, that's critical in our line of business. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and stay in touch.